King Kong in the trunk. King Kong, King Kong, King Kong.
I'm back. Rhodes Rants with another bomb-ass reaction. I like doing reactions to these fan films, fan trailers. This is a fan film from Bad in the Sun. 2.37 million subs, by the way. So, up in the corner, you see the channel. This is Black Widow, Winter Soldier versus Nightwing and Black Canary. Should be interesting. A little DC Marvel confrontation action. Let's do a reaction to this shiznit. Rat.
Barnes!
Oh, damn.
Romanoff.
What's up?
Take this. Your target is Dick Grayson. Codename Nightwing. His location is Bloodhaven. Bring the fight to him.
That is not wise.
Well, in Russia we say, волков боятся, в лес не ходить.
I'm not afraid.
You will be.
No, я не дурак.
Will be.
That I've been getting over the last 12 hours shows that there's some sort of government agent gunning for you.
Snap.
Some sort of mercenary created in World War II. Codename Winter Soldier. Dick? Dick, are you listening to me? What are you doing? Did you really just send me a picture titled Dick Pic?
I thought you'd enjoy my workout pose.
Funny.
But enough dicking around. It's time to suit up.
And I thought it was going to be a slow night.
Wow, this is serious. What's up? Got the blade techno going on. Oh, snap. Nightwing got something for his ass, I guarantee it. Oh!
Well, winter ended early.
Nice. Holy smokes!
On your left!
He's nuts. Holy moly! This is nuts. Pretty badass. Slow-mo. What's up? Nice. That was nice. Man, the production values on this are up. What's up?
Know any one-headed circus tricks?
Funny.
Of course. I was trained by the best.
Oh,
I love it when you scream my name.
what's
I
up?
hate you.
Barbara, call Alfred.
Seriously. Fight. Winter Soldier got his ass handed to him.
Ты даже себе не представляешь.
Так, где мы остановились?
Но ты нес какую-то чушь. А я делала вид, что мне интересно. Ваша карта бита.
Clever one-liners.
Okay, Dinah. The target is on the 4th floor. She's moving southwest towards the elevators.
Jarvis, I've acquired the asset.
What's
Very good.
up?
You have a target tracking you on the adjacent hallway.
This is what's up, man. This is what's up. Mike Epps in the house. Whoa!
She's in the stairwell. I just lost eyes on her.
This Black Canary is off the chain. This is interesting. This is nuts, man. These fan films are crazy.
Come on, Dinah.
Surprise.
Uh-oh. Man, this is badass. This is crazy. Siren scream. What's up? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Dinah! Dinah!
Yeah. Oh. Her ears are bleeding. A scream.
Да пошла ты.
Uh-oh.
I'm Aaron, the director.
I'm Tatiana. I play
So what did we think about that, Rhodes Squadron? Holy hell, Bat in the Sun. Awesome job. Awesome. Some of these fan films are unbelievable. I got one coming that has been requested a million times. I'm going to do a reaction. Legacy of the Force. It's a Star Wars fan film. I haven't shot it yet, but I'll probably shoot it later today. This was nuts. This was great. Production values are way up there on this thing. Tell me what you think, Rhodes Squadron. Good God. Black Widow won, Nightwing won, which is kind of what I think would happen. I really do. Yeah. Even though I love Canary, I think Black Widow's got is so street smart that I just don't know that you're going to get one up on her. Peace. I'm out. Till next time.
I got King Kong in the trunk.